Welcome back to Autoscope. Today we're diving into something that feels like pure muscle car rebellion reborn for a new era, the all-new 2026 Plymouth Roadrunner. This is not just a comeback, it's a statement. The Roadrunner has always been about raw attitude, cartoonish confidence, and tire-smoking performance, and the 2026 model takes that legacy and drags it straight into the modern world. The first thing you notice is the design. One look and you instantly know this is a Roadrunner. The long hood, wide stance, aggressive front end, and muscular rear shoulders scream classic American muscle, but everything has been sharpened. The LED lighting is modern and menacing, the grille carries subtle retro cues, and the body lines feel bold without being overstyled. It's the kind of car that looks fast even when it's standing still, and yes, that iconic Roadrunner attitude is alive and loud. Under the hood is where things get really exciting. The 2026 Plymouth Roadrunner is rumored to come with multiple powertrain options, catering to both purists and modern performance fans. A high-output V8 delivers thunderous acceleration, brutal torque, and that unmistakable muscle car sound that sends chills down your spine. At the same time, a performance-focused electrified or hybrid variant brings instant torque, lightning-quick launches, and modern efficiency without killing the soul of the car. No matter the setup, this Roadrunner is built to dominate straight lines and carve corners with confidence. Step inside and the cabin blends retro inspiration with modern tech. You'll find a driver-focused cockpit with a digital instrument cluster that can display classic gauge themes, a large touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity, and premium materials that finally give the Roadrunner the interior quality it deserves. Sport seats hug you tight, the steering wheel feels thick and purposeful, and every control is placed to make driving the main event, not an afterthought. Performance isn't just about power anymore, and Plymouth knows that. The 2026 Roadrunner features an advanced suspension setup, performance brakes, multiple drive modes, and modern traction systems that let you push hard while still feeling in control. Whether you're cruising the highway, attacking back roads, or lining up at the drag strip, this car adapts to your mood with ease. What really makes the 2026 Plymouth Roadrunner special is its attitude. It doesn't try to be subtle. It doesn't apologize for being loud, bold, and fast. In a world full of safe, predictable designs, the Roadrunner stands out as a car with personality, humor, and pure muscle car swagger. It's a reminder of why people fell in love with performance cars in the first place. So if you've been waiting for a modern muscle car that respects its roots while embracing the future, the 2026 Plymouth Roadrunner might just be the comeback story of the decade. Let us know what you think in the comments. Would you choose the roaring V8 or the electrified performance version? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Autoscope for more exciting car content coming your way.